Students today face a lot: essays, reports, presentations, and deadlines that never seem to end. Wouldn't it be nice to have a study buddy who could help you write clearer, faster, and with less stress? Thanks to AI writing tools, you actually can... Hey there, I'm Cynthia, your guide to the world of AI. Today, we'll explore how AI writing tools are changing student life. From brainstorming to editing, these tools make the writing process smoother, faster, and less intimidating. Let's start with brainstorming. Staring at a blank page is the hardest part. Tools like ChatGPT can spark ideas, suggest essay topics, and even help build outlines. It's like having a study partner who always has a fresh perspective. Now you've got your topic, research can take forever. AI tools like Notion, AI, or Scholarcy can summarize long articles and highlight key points in seconds. That means less time digging through pages of text and more time actually understanding your subject. Next comes drafting. If you only have bullet points, AI can help turn them into paragraphs. It won't do the thinking for you, but it can give you a clear starting point so you're not stuck staring at an empty document. And here's where the magic happens: editing. Tools like Grammarly Go and Quillbot act as polishers. They catch grammar mistakes, rephrase awkward sentences, and even change the tone to sound more formal, persuasive, or casual, depending on what you need. But maybe the best part? Confidence. Knowing your writing is clear and professional makes emails, assignments, and even scholarship applications so much less stressful. Of course, these tools don't replace your own thinking. They just help you express it better. So, how do you use AI for schoolwork? Do you rely on it for brainstorming, editing, or maybe both? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience. AI writing tools are like having a personal coach, guiding, polishing, and supporting your work every step of the way. They save time, reduce stress, and help you focus on learning instead of just typing. In the next video, we'll dive into: can AI actually help you prep for exams? Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the future.